All right, so we just got to a yard sale. It's a Girl Scout yard sale, and it looks massive. So I'm gonna stop in there. It's right over there. Go over there, see if there's anything good in there. Ain't nobody telling me nothing. Got some hats. Some old hats. Nothing crazy. Clothes Central. I'm all set with that. Whoa. Bowling balls.
Hey, that one was signed.
Yeah. There's a new sealed one right there. It's that one. Oh man. That's you can get that one. That one's good for you.
That's like a do it for the tubes. Pie in the face.
Oh, they have a pie in the face? Hold on, let me scan that. None have sold. What about this one? That one right there.
Men are from Mars and women are from Venus.
Brand new, sealed. That looks vintage too. Just by the pictures. Yeah, so this is, yeah, it is vintage and it's new. 61 results. 3 sold. Went for 25, 14, 3. We can grab it just for the heck of it because it's new.
How much is it?
I don't know. That's a good question. What? What's that? Oh, illusions and magic.
100+ tricks. And it has a DVD.
It does. It's open.
It's probably Bubby's.
Ugh, looks rough.
Oh.
Really rough. Really rough. Really rough. There's another sealed one right here. This?
Oh,
These are like, this is from 1995 and it's sealed. It ain't worth much though. Set that back. That one? No. Not much. Ain't worth much. Is that new? No, it's not new. What else we got? Yeah.
I told you there was gonna be puppies at the yard sale.
Where? Oh, doggy.
Alright. I'm not doing it by dog.
What
I don't know. Let's see. B-Tech. There you go.
Oh, that's probably person.
Alright, let's. Yeah. Let's drop 3. 2 5/8 BB core. Probably. I'm gonna grab these bats.
A baby waffle
Yeah. It'll be good though. Yeah. What's that? There we go. What the heck is that?
Get Kimmy a giant hamster. Chase it around.
It's not complete. It's not complete. Doesn't have the cords. Monkey earbuds.
A whole bunch of them. Pink one, purple, green.
Does that have a VCR on it?
You want to use?
Yep. I was gonna look up the model. No, it looks rough.
Doesn't have the
Well, let me look it up.
cords.
I should look it up. It doesn't what? Toshiba. No, it's got something on the screen. I don't know what that is.
I think it's an ergonomic chair.
Oh.
Like, sit on it. It's supposed to keep you.
Yeah.
Sales 9:31. Hi.
Is this part too?
Yeah, we do the checking out. So.
Okay, great. So we have these 2 bats, and then we have this little thing, and then these.
Okay, and what do you want to donate for those? I thought the bats had prices on them.
I didn't see any.
But what? Bats have prices on those? I thought that they did.
No,
No.
no, they didn't. But I was saying like $20 a piece. I mean, it's DeMarini. Well, you know,
Yeah.
if you know anything about bats. But
How much?
no, because I mean they are older and stuff.
Yeah, they're pretty used.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, give us an offer.
I mean, I do.
Would you do 20 bucks for both?
I was gonna say 10. I do 10 for both,
10 for both?
but that's it.
Yeah, it's fine.
You do that?
Caitlin's
Okay.
like, yeah. It's not like your DeMarini I bought you.
I do like
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay, great. So 10 for those, and then I do
These are brand new.
another 5 for all this. Will that work?
Sure.
your shirt.
Okay.
Sweet deal. Wait, do I get a brownie too?
Do you want to buy a brownie? Sure.
They're 50 cents each.
50 cents each. I don't- 15 plus the 50-cent brownie. So 15.50.
Yep.
Okay. 15.50 total.
Where's that address for that?
Is it 20?
For the store.
20 total you said?
15.50 for everything. Because she got a
Yeah,
brownie.
what, I was just looking it up online.
I love it. Do you want them in there?
Sure.
I found that way over there, and if I
Here we go.
Yes. That's, I mean, there's some good vibes, that's for sure.
Have a great day, guys.
Have a great day.
That's how you negotiate.
He's a hustler, babe.
20 bucks a piece.
You just stole from the brownies.
I didn't steal anything. I donated money. 20 bucks a piece for a worn out bat? I don't think so. I might get that on eBay. Oh man, well, that was cool. All right, so we're gonna run through everything we picked up at that yard sale that was put on for the Girl Scouts. I think all that stuff was just donations, and they were just trying to raise money for their troop or clan or whatever that's called. What's that, troop? Girl Scout troop?
Yeah.
Troop, right? Yeah.
Sounds good.
Sure. So so they were trying to raise money for that. So we just got a few things. We'll just run through what it was that we picked up real quick. First of all, there's a couple sealed games here. First off is this one here. I think this is vintage. Yes. This is from 1998 and it's brand new sealed. It is Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, the game. Still has, so you can see the plastic on there. I don't know. I don't remember what the comps were. Was it like 15 bucks-ish on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, 15. How much did we spend total? 15 at the sale total, correct? Yeah.
Yes.
So 15 total. What's that?
You were a master negotiator.
Yeah, I negotiated way down for them. And then second is this mouth guard challenge. We got this because, Pam's obviously a dental hygienist, and we just thought it would be fun. Maybe we'll actually keep this for ourselves, use it for do it for the tubes or something crazy. I don't know.
I could eat my cereal with that. No, I couldn't.
I don't know. So we picked this up as well. I'm not sure if this is an old one or not. Oh, 2016. So this is a newer game. And it's also sealed. So whether we keep it or resell it, kind of a cool thing we picked up. Next is this BBS stereo cassette player with bass boost system. So it's got like the bass boost things on it. And it's got the little switch on the side, bass boost switch. And not many of these are listed, actually, this exact model. There was one listed for like $12.99 plus shipping, and then there was one sold for $15.99 or something like that. So decent there. We tested it. It does work. We put a battery in it. I think it takes a couple AA's. Yeah, 2 AA's. And it works great. So that was cool. Vintage electronics always seem to do well. The next is this DeMarini Drop 3. I think it's NVS. Right there, DeMarini NVS. It's a model of Vexum bat. And it's 2 5/8 diameter, and it is 31 inches and 28 ounces, which makes it a Drop 3. It's got some pine tar on it, which is not a big deal. The grip's a little bad shape, but overall it's solid. I don't see any cracks on it, no dents or anything like that. So I'll try to clean it up a little bit maybe and then list it. I think for this one, I can probably get around, I don't know, $50-ish plus shipping. Not a lot of these particular models were listed, but I think I should be able to get around that. I think this is a little bit newer one. I could be mistaken. I've been out of baseball for a while, but I think this is a newer model, pretty sure. And then finally, the biggest score is this DeMarini CF5. This was like the best bat that DeMarini had on the market back in the day. I'm not sure if they still make these CF series anymore, but I remember when the CF5 came out, it was a major bat. It came out probably 5-6 years ago, maybe even longer. But this is a good bat. This is drop 3 as well. BB Core certified, so it is a little newer, probably within the last 5 years. And it is a 32, I believe. Yep, 3229. And I think I should be able to get around 100 for it. That might be a little high given the condition, because it's in a little rough shape. But, I mean, I looked up sold comps for the CF5 in this size, and it was going for like about $100, which is crazy. It's still going for quite a bit of money all these years later. But definitely a great bat. Definitely keep an eye out for DeMarini. Some of the higher end DeMarini can be really good money, like this one here. So, pretty excited about that.
Wait, and how much did you get that for?
So, yeah.
To recap, I'm sure they're gonna see it in the video, but how much did you want originally?
So originally when I brought these up to the register, she was like, yeah, we're asking $20 a piece on the bats. And I was just like, oh, no, I'm not doing that. Well, it was weird though, because when you first get up to the counter, they were like, I was like, all right, I have all this stuff here. And they're like, okay, what are you willing to donate? And I was just like, it was just kind of like a weird spot, you know, because that's what that's essentially what it was a fundraiser, you know. So, but anyway, I was like, well, I've got these 2 bats here because I wanted to get the conversation flowing. I didn't want to throw a number out there at first. I wanted them to throw a number at me, and they were like, well, you know, we're trying to get $20 a piece for those bats. And I was like, really? I was like, I don't know. And you guys all saw it on the camera anyway. But then she came right down to 20 for both of them. And I was like, well, to be honest, they're a little bit older, which is true. The CF5's been out for years. It's an older bat. And they're in rough shape, which is also true. You know, they've got pine tar all over them, and they've got scratches and scuffs and stuff. And I was like, to be honest, I'd be comfortable giving you 10 for both. And one of the Girl Scouts was right behind me. She was like, yeah, that's fine. And the mom was like, okay, I guess so. That's fine.
Yeah.
So,
just to let you guys know, Ryan was definitely hardballing, no pun to the whole baseball thing, but the moms, not the like little girls.
Yeah, no.
He didn't talk to them
No.
like that. It was just the mamas.
So anyway, we spent $15 for this whole lot. Just on the bats, we spent $10. So everything else was $5. Because I think everything else, I was like, I'll just give you $5 for all this stuff here. And they were like, that's fine. So, not too bad.
Brownie.
Oh yeah, Pam bought a brownie. Yeah.
For 50 cents.
For 50 cents. Did you even eat that?
I have no idea.
I don't even know where that is. But anyway, so decent haul there. And a lot of fun. I haven't actually found any bats yet this year. This is the first lot of bats I've found. And it's kind of frustrating me because I know a lot about bats. And I'm good with baseball gear, kind of. Because I played baseball for years and I know what the stuff's worth. And I know the higher end versus the lower end. So I don't really have to ever comp anything. I can just pick it up and know if it's worth my time or not. So I was excited to find those, and yeah, it was a great day, right?
Yeah, and when I picked up that mouth game, I knew it was worth stuff.
The mouth game.
Mouths are priceless. 'Cause I wouldn't be able to eat all of my Lucky Charms without my mouth.
So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our footage and our haul. It was a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Now we gotta hustle to the next thing.
Hustle to the next
This
thing.
week is-
All right, have a great night, everybody, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.